Hi everybody, I'm Trina. I'm back with the 30-30. It's like one something and I haven't had anything to eat. I'm ready to break my fasting. When I break my fasting, they say it's best to break it with a protein. So I probably won't eat my first meal till around about 2 o'clock. But I'm doing this because I want to let y'all know. Black coffee, I don't like black coffee, but black coffee gonna save you for the first couple of days. Like now, I got a headache. For the first couple of days, it's gonna save you. I'm taking these because I'm doing like a detox, but I'm just like I'm drinking. I'm not a doctor, so I can't tell you what to do. I'm not Dr. Phil. I'm not Oprah. So you're doing it at your own risk. I'm doing this because I'm doing a cleanser, and I'm doing like I'm doing two of these in a meal. So I'm getting my meal at 2 o'clock, and I'm doing a green protein shake round about 5 and probably 2 eggs. So I will be okay, or probably do like cucumbers with the egg. So I'm just like, you can eat, but I'm just doing it because I need a cleanser to get the sweets and the bad food that I was eating, so I won't crave it. When I do it this way, I won't crave sweets or fried food or anything. I won't have any craving. I do a better turnout. Um Before 7 o'clock, you can eat. You can chew on these from whatever time you pick your time. These are gonna be a lifesaver as well. And a lot of people don't understand intermittent fasting. You pick your time. I tried to do like between 11 and 7. Sometimes I do like 1 to 8 or 1 to 7, because sometimes I be so busy I forget to eat. And if I eat at 1 o'clock, I still stop at 7. That's just how I do sometimes. But, excuse me, 11 to 7 work good for me because it's still in the morning time and I still can eat lunch. I can eat my breakfast and I can eat lunch and I can eat dinner. But like I said, when you get into the intermittent fasting, you're not going to want to eat. You'll be the whole to the thing to the program is that you get down to 2 meals a day, and you will get down to 2 meals a day. Sometimes you get down to one. 1 meal a day is not good for you. I got down to 1 meal a day, and it's not good for you. That's why I tell everybody do a protein drink. So that's how you get your protein in. I usually break my fasting with food, but when I break my fasting with food, I don't get all my food and all my protein. So I'm trying something new this 30-30. I'm trying to do with the protein and break with the protein. Water. Make sure you do a lot of water. Tomorrow I'm gonna show y'all different kind of waist trainer. Y'all don't have to wear no waist trainer all through the days. Whoever told y'all that, they lied. I wore a waist trainer for about 3 hours and my stomach was snatched. And I'm gonna show y'all a lot of stuff. And y'all be Wish got some messed up stuff, trust me. But there's a certain kind of waist trainer that Wish sell. I get it on sale because they sell it for $23, but I be getting on sale when they go on sale for $8. It's a nice waist trainer. And to the point that everybody say, you don't have to keep on buying waist trainer when as you lose weight. Get on the sewing machine, sew it up, or sew it up with your hand. And that's what I did. That's what I do. And it still work. And it still snatched me in. I don't know who told y'all that y'all got every time it get loose, y'all got to throw it away. Or you got to get a new one. You don't. Save money. I'm a budget shopper. So get on that sewing machine and sew it up. And I'm gonna show y'all. Well, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. You can sew those waist trainers and it's just like you first bought it. I know a lot of people say, well, I work a lot. I don't have time to exercise. You do. If you home, you waiting for your food to warm up in the microwave, you got time. You looking at a TV show, you have time. By the time that TV show, you got commercial, you did 30 minutes of exercise. And you can't keep on doing the same exercise because your body gonna get used to it. And it's not gonna lose anything else. Your body's gonna get used to it. You can ask anybody. You can ask people who do Zumba. You can ask people who do cycling. They'll tell you they have to do something else to lose weight because their body get used to it. And y'all will figure it. Okay, well, they're gonna be small and they eat what they want because they do Zumba, they exercise every day. They'll do Zumba instructor. No. I know a lot of Zumba instructor, and they'll tell me, quit this, I have to do something else because my body will not do it. I trick my body. If I walk every day, I still would do water Zumba, or I would do land Zumba, or I would get on the machine, and I do lift weights 3 times or 2 times a week. Because your body would say, hey, what is going on? Okay, she did this, she did this. Your body will be so confused. You're going to constantly lose the weight and take the weight off. I'm going to show you when you hit the plateau. I'm going to show you. But you have to eat enough so your body can absorb what you are doing. Because if you don't eat enough, you're not going to lose no weight. Because your body's going to eat up what the fat you got inside. When you ain't got no more fat, you ain't going to lose no more weight. Tomorrow, what I'm going to do is take you on my exercise in the morning. I'm going to the gym in the morning. I'm going to set my camera up and show you what I do in the morning. I'm probably take a brisk walk tomorrow. I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat in the morning. I'm going to show you what I eat like now. I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to show you how I make my smoothie. A lot of people don't like green smoothie. I like my green smoothie like a smoothie. Some people like they liquidly. Nah, I like mine like a milkshake, and I can make it, excuse me, like a milkshake. I don't use no milk. I use ice cube and a little bit of water. I use frozen spinach, and I use frozen pineapple, fresh pineapple. It's best to use your smoothie with fresh pineapple. They're like $1.88. You probably can get them from, sometimes you can get it for 99 cents. It's called Ollie's. I think that's what the name is. Ollie's. I can't pronounce it. I can't think of them. But they usually have their pineapple for 99 cents, $1.29. When they usually have it like that, I buy 2 or 3 and I cut them up and I freeze it. I don't usually put blueberry. I do it now and then because once you put blueberry in a smoothie, it tastes like sandy light. It's like seasoning. And I don't use blueberry because blueberry, when you do it, is nothing but season. And I just don't like how it feel. It feel like rocks in your mouth, so I don't mess with it. But I got a lot to show y'all. And I'm just asking y'all to stick with me, subscribe, push like, ring that bell. And I'm telling you, if you're going to take this journey with me, you will see the 30 pounds. Like I said, I did it one time before, and I lost, in 30 days, I lost 28 pounds. And I did the intermittent fasting. And like I said, I don't have no reason to lie. And then I did the apple cider vinegar. But I didn't do it the whole time. I did it for a week and stopped because it started messing with my throat. So I didn't do it like that. It started making my throat raw, so I didn't do it like that. But I did watch what I ate. But then I went to like a 12,000 calories because I wasn't... People don't really think you can't eat on 12,000 calories. And there's a lot I want to show y'all. I did the tuna in the package. I did 5 saltine crackers. I even went to the point to get the Skinny Girl popcorn. That was 100 calories. I went to the point that had 80-calorie yogurt. I went to the point had a handful of peanut unsalted. I'm just telling y'all. And I even went to the point that had my my dinner. I did like a 2 whites and 1 whole egg, 2 turkey bacons. I had a half a banana, a half a wheat toast, and then I did a little bit of yogurt. that food, that right there wasn't more than what, 250 right there. And if I had 250 and I did like 250 here, and then I did my lunch was gonna be like 150 or 200. Then my dinner, I had do my dinner to like 300. And then if I wasn't hungry and I did a snack, I had my snack for like 150. And if I wasn't hungry, what I did was did one of these protein shakes. But it's just a lot that I wanted to show y'all, and a lot of people gonna say, "Well, you put that weight back double." I did not put that weight up back double. Like I said, I gained 25 pounds because of me. That weight would have still been off, but I got depressed and I started eating ice cream and chip. I control me. I control what went in my mouth. I didn't have to put that ice cream in my mouth. I didn't have to put those chips and dips in my mouth. I didn't have to put that bag of candy. I didn't have to keep on going buying the candy off the clearance for Christmas. I choose to do all of that. I didn't have to keep on going to go get the Popeye sandwich. I choose to do that. I didn't have to go through the drive-thru to get the famous bowl at KFC. I choose to do that. I didn't have to go to Polished Chicken to get the French fries and get the fried liver. I choose to do that. But I'm choosing to live healthy. I'm choosing not to do that anymore. You can choose to do the same thing. The same thing. I have to take care of myself. I'm getting older. I have to look out for me. I want to be healthy. When I get to the point, I said that I put on 25 or 30 pounds, I want to take off 50. Then, if I have a cheat day, that's just one cheat day. I used to have cheat day. My girlfriend used to say, my best friend used to say, "Girl, there ain't no cheat day. What is you talking about? That's not no cheat day." But want you to take this journey with me. And I just want you to watch me disappear in front of your eyes. Just give me 30 days. That's it. You could say for the 30 days, I'm going to continue keep on going past my 30 days. My goal is 50 to 40 pounds by May. That's my goal, is to do that. Hit that like button, ring that ding-a-ling-a-wing-a-ling bell, and subscribe. And as always, y'all have a blessed day. I'm breaking my fast, and it's like, what time is it? It's 1:15 right now. And thank you for listening to me.